Hi, today I'm going to show you how to reset FreeCAD to default settings. If you want to do it, first you need to go to Edit tab and then you need to go to Preferences. And here Preferences window will be loaded. So now if you want to reset settings, you need to click on Reset button. It is on the bottom of this window, so I click on this option and then you have here three options. First one, Reset Page General. Second one, Reset Group General, and the last one is Reset All Settings Entirely. So I select this option and then you will see here this one information. We have here question, do you want to clear all your user settings? If you agree, all your settings will be cleared. So if you are sure you want to do it, you need to click Yes button and then all settings will be reset to default. So how you see, it really works. If I helped you to use this function, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.